stop what you're doing, because in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you everything that you're going to want to know about Attapoll referrals, including how I make over $100 a day from them. So that sounds interesting at all. You're going to make sure to watch till the end of this video. And for those of you who go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because on this channel, I have the best free app money methods that you're going to find on the entire internet. And if you go ahead and subscribe and make sure to watch this video to the end, because for those of you that do, I have a secret surprise. So make sure you stick till the end for that. So as you guys can see, I have my phone right here on screen, and I'm going to be going ahead and showing you how to use Attapoll referrals and how, like I said earlier, to make overall $100 a day from them. And if we go ahead and log on to Attapoll, you can see that right here, I already have one survey because I've actually gone ahead and filled out every single survey for the day. Now, I don't know if you've used Attapoll before, but this is actually kind of a problem for me because whenever I'm on the John or whenever I'm just eating, I like to get on here and I like to just fill out some easy surveys. And as you can see, I've already made a $1.90 just within the last day or so, just getting on here and just filling out some super easy surveys. And this is obviously really great because this is a $2 that I've basically just made in complete passive income. Now, what I actually really like doing is I also like combining this survey app called Eureka, because with Eureka, it's very similar to Attapoll, but you get more surveys on Eureka than you would with just Attapoll. Because as you can see here, we have a bunch more surveys available to me right now, because I actually haven't gone in and I haven't done any Eureka surveys yet today. And if you guys go ahead and sign up for Eureka, I can go ahead and give you guys a free 50 cents upon sign up and a $1 survey, which at this point is the only kind of survey that I'd recommend that you guys go ahead and do with Eureka. But if we want to go ahead and just go back to Attapoll, we can go to my invite friends tab, and you can see I already have 3 friends right here where they have gone ahead and both made 50 cents each, where they've scratched my back and I've scratched their back, which is obviously really great because this is just a win-win for every single one of us. And if you guys want to go ahead and claim my referral code to be my friend and get a free 50 cents with these 3 people right here, then I would recommend either using this code right now or check out the link down in the description down below where you can go ahead and sign up for Attapoll and be a new user. But all we have to do in order to invite people is that we just have to hit this invite friends button right here. And then as you can see, I have a bunch of different places that I can go ahead and post it. I can email it to people, I can text it to some of my friends and family, I can put it on my WhatsApp, I can put it on Snapchat. And while this is all really great, I'm not 100% confident if they actually want to receive some kind of offer like this. Maybe they're making good enough money working at Starbucks or whatever. So what we can go ahead and instead do is that we can go ahead and copy this onto Discord. And what I would recommend doing with Discord is I would recommend just copying your link right here. And then I would recommend going to Discord with your copied link. And I would recommend checking out the second link in the description, because the second link in the description, I have a exclusive Discord chat with over 1,500 members where we're all looking to come in here and make some super easy money from apps. If I go ahead and go to the Attapoll referral section, you can see we have a bunch of people in here who are trying to get refers, and we're all trying to make easy money together. And basically all you have to do is you have to paste in this right here, and then you just have to type in R for R and then hit a question mark. And usually what'll happen is that someone will go in here and they'll ask you for a 50 cent sign up with them. Now, the problem with this is that obviously you aren't going to get the attention of every single person in the Discord because you can't add everyone. But if you do want the ability to add everyone, I would recommend checking out the premium share links. As you can see right here, we already have one person who's in here and using the premium share links. And I have personally used it to myself to add everyone, and I have the permission to do it because I followed these exact steps. Now, normally when you go into my Discord, you're not going to have access to this channel. You're not going to be able to type in it. But if you do want access to go ahead and type in it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check out my university, which on my university, not only will you get access to that premium share links where you can go ahead and add everyone, but you will also learn how to literally get anything for free. And I kid you not, I have a step-by-step tutorial, literally actually hundreds of step-by-step tutorials on how to and teaching you how to get almost anything for free. I have all of my teaming methods, which individually have sold for $50 each. I have obviously the ability for you to market anything to thousands, which me personally, I've been able to get like 10 referrals just by everyone within an hour, which is super good. And I also have 40 pages of free product methods. I have free and discounted food. I have free gift cards, and we also have an exclusive in-house Amazon freebies bot. You're not going to find this anywhere else on the entire internet, but as you can see right here, it is constantly scouring Amazon for 50% off and more discounts. And what you guys could go ahead and do, which several members of Xavier University have already done, is that they just go ahead and resell these products that they get for half off, and they just resell it for what the actual market value is, and they go ahead and make super easy quick money, which is an absolute steal. And I know people that are personally making hundreds of dollars. We also just added this full 10-page document in detail on how to get free stuff from Amazon. on, which has a bunch of different methods for you guys. And you can see we have all of these different methods right here. So I would highly recommend checking out that first link down below so you can learn how to sign up for Xavier University yourself. But for those of you who are looking at the runtime and you see that I do actually have a secret surprise for those of you who stuck to the end, for every 100 subscribers that this video gets me, I will be doing a free $100 Cash App giveaway, which means that if we get 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing 10 different Cash App $100 giveaways. So all you have to do to enter is go ahead and comment down below your cash tag, as well as subscribing to the channel so we can get as many of these going as possible. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you click on this one right here because it's going to be teaching you my full guide to Attapoll and my first beginner's review. So that sounds interesting at all. You're going to make sure to check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.